Listings is your boat inventory, every boat your brokerage has available. View your listings as cards, each showing the boat name, stock number, price, year, length, location, and a colored status badge. Filter by status: active, sold, or pending. Filter by category: center console, bowrider, sportfisher, cruiser, sailboat, pontoon, and more. Set price and length ranges to narrow it down. When you are looking for something specific, you will find it fast. Switch to table view for scanning large inventories faster. Same data in a compact sortable layout. Boat name, details, price, location, status, last updated. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Click Add Listing and type the year, make, and model. That is it. Click AI Fill Specs. In seconds, AI looks up that exact boat and fills in everything. Category, hull material, fuel type, length, beam, draft, weight, engine type, engine count, fuel capacity, water capacity, max horsepower, and dead rise. All at once. You did not type any of it. For a 2017 Robalo Cayman 246, the AI knows it is a center console with twin outboards, a fiberglass hull, and a 100-gallon fuel tank. Real specs, not guesses. Every field shows a confidence indicator. Green means high confidence. Yellow means likely correct but worth a quick check. Red means low confidence. Verify that number. You know exactly where to spend your review time. The AI only fills fields you have not already entered. Your input always takes priority. Click into a listing and the detail page shows the full spec sheet on the left. Every marine detail in a clean grid. Year, make, model, category, hull, engines, dimensions. On the right, the top buyers panel. AI automatically ranks every buyer in your database by how well they match this boat. When a new listing comes in, you instantly know who to call first. Below that, tabs for activity, notes, and interested leads. Your inventory is alive in BoatLife.ai. AI fills the specs, matches boats to buyers, and tells you who to call. 3 things that used to take hours, done automatically.